To keep the zoom you last use for rear camera portrait mode on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to keep the setting for the portrait zoom on the camera app. To do so, open camera app and then tap the setting icon at the top left. Scroll down the screen. Under general section, tap settings to keep and then tap the gray on offset next to portrait zoom until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how it works, tap the back key twice. Change the camera mode to the rear camera portrait mode. Change the zoom level. As the example, we will set it to 2 times. Take a picture. Close the camera. And then reopen the camera. Go to the rear camera portrait mode. As you can see, this mode will still use the zoom level you last used. In this case, it still uses 2 times as the zoom level. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.